Some critics are really slamming the Republicans for adding a lot of handwritten notes at the last second to win over individual people who were holding out. Literally handwritten notes like this one, a special tax break that was written in for Betsy DeVos's college. This was written in specifically for her college so that they could get her support. There are other last-minute additions to the bill that I was looking at that I think are equally suspect. For instance, check this one out. Freeways will have a dedicated lane for coal-powered cars. That was weird. Yeah. Look at this one. Immigration officers can deport any individual found possessing jalapenos. Mitch McConnell must receive a standing ovation every time he walks into a Waffle House. Look at this. Rhode Island will now be used for storage. Yeah. Look at this. Fox is the only acceptable news source after the Bible and the toast that looks like Jesus. Yeah, I'd go on with that. That's a good one. Check this one out. From now on, Japan shall be known as China Junior. Hey, check this out. Papa John is officially a founding father. Here's this one. Anyone can refuse to make a gay cake, but since cakes in general are pretty gay, all bakers must admit that all cakes are gay cakes. Yeah. Good one. And finally, check it out. The motto at the base of the Statue of Liberty will now be changed to, "Not so fast, amigo."